Independence means freedom. Freedom to learn, freedom to speak, and freedom to dream. Good day, respected teachers, parents, and my fellow friends. Today, we celebrate the Independence Day of our beloved country, Ghana. We will study hard. We will respect our elders. We will love one another. We are the doctors. We are the teachers. We are the leaders of tomorrow. We promise to be good citizens of Ghana. On 6th March 1957, Ghana became free from the colonial rule. Our leaders worked hard and sacrificed so we can live in freedom today. May Allah bless our school. May Allah bless our teachers. May Allah bless our motherland Ghana.